Good evening once again. Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. So my advice with my fellow women who has low self-esteem be is that make me your model. Because me myself is I am not that confident to show who I am because I have so much flaws. But then when I encourage self-empowerment, when I encountered those two words, it enlightened me that I should I should be more empowered because I am accepted by my family, friends, and all acquaintances. And by that, we can all also accept ourselves for who we are because we are who we are. And that's all.